Alright guys, good morning. I am walking into Dollar Tree out here in El Mirage, Arizona. So let's go check out and see what they got. Okay, so just seeing all the party items here, the cutlery, the glitter blue and pink utensils, all the tropical party stuff, really cute. Oh, this is cute. That's flamingo. And then they have summer vibes and a couple other cups down there. So, all right. And we have all the outside dinnerware. They've had this out for a little while now, so I'm usually out every summer. I don't really see anything that's new. I'm kind of wondering about the butterflies, if these are new or not, but I can't remember. So, all right, already 4th of July party items out. The 4th of July fan. I don't know if this is new. I don't think I've seen this before. Alrighty. We got a little, this type of fan as well. That's nice. We want to see the fireworks. And have bubbles. Alright. That's all the swim items. Let's keep looking. Well, this looks like a new backdrop for a birthday. I think more for a boy, but that's pretty cool. Then you also have this backdrop. Really nice. All the barbecue items are out now. I'm just now seeing them. We got the little corn holder tray set. And the big tongs. The extendable barbecue fork. They are really starting to get some really nice decor pieces. I'm not gonna get any of these today, but I really don't need any at all. But these are really nice. Keep it simple. I don't want to cause a mess. A nice neutral type of colors. And all the frames too that they've been getting in lately. Like this is a 10 by 8. That's huge. Look at that. 7 by 5. 4 by 6. 8 by 8. Nice. I'm gonna have to grab this. This is a magnetic photo frame. I'm gonna get 2. Hoses now, 50 feet long, medium duty. That's not bad. That's not a bad deal. I think it's only the 50 feet for $10, guys. Not bad at all. Okay, I don't think I see anything new in the cleaning products. The same old. I know this is a newer product, but I've seen this before. That's the dupe of the Dawn Power Wash. Yeah, I don't think anything new here, guys. Okay, look at these candles. Huge. Lemon sorbet. Don't really smell anything. They have dragon fruit. I sort of smell that one. Then they have coconut colada. Okay, I sort of smell the coconut colada and the dragon fruit, but I don't really smell nothing in the lemon sorbet, so that sucks. Hanging photo frame. It's pretty nice. It has a distressed look to it. They also come in small. So it's really cute if you want to add this to your table, or dinner table. That's really nice. Oh, some nice big totes for $1.25. They come in a blue and I don't know, orange, and I see a green. Funny sands on there. It's a good deal. Okay, let's see what they got down here. Not seeing much of anything new. Nope. Might have to hit another Dollar Tree. So yeah, don't mind how I look, but I'm about to hit another Dollar Tree because I don't see too much in here. So I will pick you guys back up later. Bye. Okay, let's see what this one has. I'm not a super fan of this Dollar Tree, however, it's the closest one that was to me based off where I was at. So let's see. Okay, now that I'm having a portable grill. 17.5-inch portable grill. And they have a 12-inch grill as well. Pretty nice, $5. Okay, nothing new in the Mother's Day section here. Ones we've all seen before. We got some little candles down here. Looks like they have a lot more graduation decor items. So there's some cups, some coffee cups here as well. So that's pretty cool. Some picture frames. Kind of miss the graduation season. So this is some champagne poppers for like the 4th of July. Here are some cups. It's cute. Hooray for the USA, oh my stars, and fun on the 4th. And these are cute as well. These are different with the flag shape. Oh, look at these guys. Tall. Okay, they really get it in. And then they have the plastic Stanley dupes. Also in the red, white, and blue. Even though I can't stand this Dollar Tree, they actually have a lot of stuff here. So there's a headband for the 4th of July, some beaded necklaces, some more decor. So they have a lot more decor here. I don't even know what I'm doing for the 4th of July, but I know I won't be decorating. But for those who are, go to Dollar Tree. Alrighty. Okay, let's see. Sorry. What else they have here? I'm gonna check out the other aisles and see. Okay, here are the lanterns that have the candles inside of them. That's $5. And they're solar. So we're gonna set these outside. That'll be really nice. So we have like just like an all black finish, but then they also have this like silverish black finish as well. And then they have these type of solar lanterns, a pathway lights. I like that. Those are $5. And they have these lanterns without the candle, so you can add a candle or just even put it around your house for a little decor piece. This is also a solar lantern with the candle inside. And again, $5 for the white. This has more of like a round detail versus the square. Really nice. These are huge. These are $5. So like, these aren't the ones with the light. So these aren't solar, but these are just huge metal lanterns, gold and black. Really nice. They also have the like a, I don't know what type of shape it is, but the style and the solar lanterns. And it is also, I want to say $5. Come on, Jackie. Yes, $5. Cute. They have these non-slip hangers for $5. You get 15. That's not a bad deal. I don't think so. I don't know how much this will run in a regular store, but pieces I like this. Be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, faithful in prayer. Romans 12:12. That's cute, and that's $1.25. I'm getting that. Here's something else. I didn't know there was another one back here. So they have Amazing Grace, How Sweet the Sound. They have a flower. Oh, another type of flower, guys. Oh, how pretty. How pretty. Awesome. I'm gonna get this one though. I think this is super cute. This will go cute together. Cork board, they didn't have any, but they have the cork boards back for $5, and they have the chalk boards as well for $5. A bummer, but oh well. These are cute vases here. So I do keep seeing these. I'm kind of tempted to buy one of these little pouches or fanny packs. Just, I don't know. For $1.25, you can keep this in your car and just have it as a little, like, say, Band-Aids or something, you know, personal items that you may need. I think I am going to get this, though. This is cute for $1.25. It's a little pouch. I don't want to get that particular one. It has glitter on it. But these are for a wallet too. There's a little wristlet on there, but just to have something in case, you know, little emergency items you may need. You never know. Okay, this is pretty cool. Hair pick. It's wavy. This is by Greenbrier. I mean, it's just like a regular comb, but you can tell the quality is pretty good. They have that same comb in a dark green. These sugar scrubs. This is a Sunseeker pink pineapple. It's cute. And then they have the, oh, this is Justice brand. Okay. Sweet Dreamer Sugar Scrub Sorbet Cotton Candy. Oh, that's so cute. Justice, okay. We bought some bubble bath. Alright, moving on. The sugar oatmeal and mango soap. Raw shea butter soap. They have the oatmeal and verbena as well. And then they have Focus and Clarify. I hope you guys can hear me. Hopefully when I'm editing this you can hear me. And the makeup aisle. Oh, these are cute. These press-on nails by Pretty Woman. Or Pretty Woman. It's pretty. Oh, look at these guys. Very nice for the spring. So cute. And then we have the black tips. Nice. these are some cute ones by Ione Nail Tips. Different Rockstar mascara. I thought it was lip gloss. That's a mascara, guys. Huh. They have an eyeshadow stick. Okay. And they have that eyeshadow stick in purple as well. This rose looks pretty. It's really small though, but the packaging caught my eye. Okay, look how small these gonna get. Like, no, I'll go to Walmart and get those. Trying to see if I missed anything. All right, I think I'm gonna start wrapping this up. Thanks for tuning in. I may take a peek around the food aisle, but if not, I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. But thanks for shopping with me today. I did pick up a few items, some you've seen, some you haven't seen. So check out my next Dollar Tree haul, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye. Yeah, nothing new. Oh, I might have lied. What's this? Oh, it's like a birthday cake mix. My Halo top. But yeah, nothing new, guys. So catch you guys on my next one. Bye.